Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay, the portfolio manager of the Rational Equity Armor Fund and proud father, new father for the third time. This week, Leo Tigay is amazing, and I'm just overcome with emotion this week. It's been a very emotional week this week, but I'm just so proud of my wife and everything that she's been through, and she is just my hero. It is just amazing. The market for its part today, it is not doing a whole lot. Tech's getting a big bid, of course. Value getting smashed as interest rates are lower. Now, interesting to see, for better or for worse, the market's driving interest rates lower. Obviously when that happens, tech catches a bid. Obviously good for the short term. Now, the flip side of that is, well, what kind of damage does it do in the long term? Is this going to cause inflation to go out of control? Are these PE ratios way too high for the S&P 500? And yes, we're getting a lofty spot for the S&P 500 that, of course, is driving the PEs up. And will that mean there will be a rollover in the market? Well, the VIX, for its part, is 16, so that's relatively calm water as of late. But the futures are very lofty. We're at 1885 and higher, just in the no future, which is expiring just in a couple of weeks. So that's telling me that futures traders are really expecting a short-term rise in the VIX really quickly, which is not unusual when you're seeing, but just the size of the gap is just really big for me. It's really strange to me. Maybe they know something, or maybe just people putting a lot of protection on while they're getting long the market at the same time. So one or the other, we'll see how it plays out. Interesting to see. Now the VVIX, that's actually very low. It's at 103, not super low. Obviously, we've seen it much lower, but that's on the lower end of the range. So maybe not as much volatility expected there on that side. So that's just one piece of the puzzle. We'll watch it all play out. Anyways, that's Joe Tigay. That's all for me. I'm just tired and just excited, and want to thank all my friends and family for all their support. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.